Hello everyone, welcome to techsharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another example for touch command where we will see how we can utilize the touch command in order to update the access time only. Okay, so far we have discussed various examples for touch command, but there we were used to update access timestamp as well as data change timestamp. But for this example, we will see a way through which we can update only access change timestamp. Okay, now there is one question, like why do we need this thing? So just to clear this question, what we will do, I'll show you some requirement, I'll show you some files which is already there in my system, and then we will discuss like what are the requirement for using this access thing, or for updating only the access file, access timestamp for a file. Okay, and other than this, we will see, like once we are good with the requirement part, then we will explore the actual command on Qshell command prompt with some different scenario. We will also see like whether it is possible to update the access timestamp only with access timestamp with like customized time or by taking a reference. So these all things we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay, so let's start with the first part for the requirement. For that, what I'll do, I'll simply write here work lnk. So what work lnk will do, it will open the work with object link. Okay, so this is a screen, this is screen is for work with object link. Here we have the directory /home/sharmit. Now on this directory, if I do page down, you can see there are various files already stored here. Okay, so let's pick one example for this file, sqlrpgle. If I take option 8 here and do page down, you will see that at the moment it is showing all four timestamp as 6423. Okay, and in previous session we discussed a way through which we were using these two things to change with the help of touch command, right? But in this session we will mainly focus on this last access date and time. Okay, uh, for now, like you can see all the date and timestamp as 6423, and just focus on this last access date time. So now suppose you are working for a project and someone asks you to change only the last access date and time. So what we will do here, so here we can utilize the touch command, and through that touch command only we will be able to complete our task for updating last access date time. Okay, so let's start with the practical thing now. For that I need this object directory, so I can simply copy it from here itself. Fine, now I will do F3, and here we will write QSH. What QSH will do, it will open the Qshell command entry screen. Now on this Qshell command entry screen, we will simply write work, not sorry, here we will write touch, then space. For updating only access change time, we will write here -a, then a space, then paste your path. So what this command will instruct now, it will update only the access change time, okay, for the file splf1.pdf which is present at the directory /home/sharmit. As this is already in the home directory, default directory, that's why it will also work if you only provide the file name. But I always recommend to keep the complete part, so that whenever, let's say if someone is using your command from screen, then he can understand, okay, this file is stored at this location. Okay, so let me hit enter here. So the moment when I hit enter here, it will show this dollar sign. That means our file has been executed successfully, and there is no error. Otherwise it will show error if it was not successfully updated, right? So it's time to verify the data. So for that I'll simply write here work lnk, hit enter, do page down, and just navigate for this file splf1.pdf. Take F8 option here, do page down. So here you can see now the last access date time has been changed to 4/1/24 5:34:07, which means it is updated with the current timestamp, but only for the last access date time, not for the all date and time. Okay, so that's the reason we are using -a with our command. Okay, Fine. Now one more thing about this, like you can see we can also update this with customized timestamp. Okay, let's see how. So for that I'll simply go again with the QSH. Here I will write touch space hyphen a because we are updating only access, then hyphen t, and here you can put your customized timestamp. Let's say I want to update it for 2025 uh, to 1415. Okay, and then you can paste your file directory, which is /home/sharmit sqlrpgle. The moment when I hit enter, okay, something is wrong here, let me check. It is showing then we don't have this file, maybe something is wrong. Oh yeah, command is wrong, you can see here touc, so we can write it completely touch and then hit enter. Yeah, so now it is completed successfully. So you can also see, like, if something is wrong it will show you the error. Okay, fine. So let's let me take you to this session, and from here we will go with work lnk, enter, and just navigate for SPLF1, take F4, sorry, enter, option 8, and you can see now it is showing me the date 2225 1415 141500. Okay, that means it has been changed with our customized timestamp. Okay, so this is the best example for touch command. Like with touch command you can only update the last access date and time. Sometimes it is also a interview question, like interviewer may ask you, like, will it be possible to update only the access timestamp, access date and time. So yes, you can say yes, we can do with touch command. Okay, now another question is, will it be possible to take it the timestamp from the reference? Let's see. So for that I'll take the reference of my splf dot, which is 4124. Okay, so for that let's go back to the session A. I'll repeat this command by taking F9. Here I will write it as -r. There is no need to the customized time, and we are good with it, but we also need to put the file name from which we want to take reference. So for that I'll write home, then we have Sharmit, then we have my splf dot pdf, then simply hit enter. So you can see at the moment it is not showing any kind of error. That means our command has been executed successfully. So to verify that, let's go back to session B and check the timestamp for splf1.pdf. So here you can see it has been updated to 4124, and this is exactly matched with your splf my-splf.pdf 564. Let's verify that, taking option 8. Yeah, it is same as our my-splf1. Okay, splf1.pdf. So these two files has the same access timestamp, and this thing we have implemented only with the touch command. Okay, so yeah, these are the all scenario. And one basic thing I want to tell you again, that please make sure to use these option in small letters only, because the moment when you make it capital it will give error. Okay, so always take option which is in small letters, because once you keep it as small it will work accordingly, and it will give you the desired output. Fine. Now I'll quickly show you how we can use the same thing with clle program. So for that you can see this program is to update only the access time stamp using touch command. So just write dcl here for declaring variable, provide variable name, type, storage and length, then simply go to chgvar command, provide your command name, let's say touch a. So what it will do, it will update the access timestamp. By default, if you are not providing anything, means if you are not taking a reference or you are not providing customized timestamp, then in that case it will change it with the current timestamp, but only the access change in time for the file rryy.txt. So yeah, we are good with it. Command is ready, so it's time to strqsh, provide your variable name, and we are good with it. So let's quickly compile. And one more thing, if you don't know how we can do the basic thing like variable declaration, or if you want to study this in detail, then you can refer the previous sessions. Okay, because there we have already discussed all these things in a detail. Now I'm calling this, and just to verify, let's go back to work lnk, do page down, look for rrYY file, take option 8, and here you can see it has been updated with the current timestamp, which is 4124 539:52, and you can see it has only updated the last access date and time, not the other. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things, so thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.